Today we are discussing question and answers for N10-008. If you find this content useful, please like, comment and subscribe. To find the complete list of the question and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. A technician is troubleshooting a connectivity issue with an end user. The end user can access local network shares and internet pages but is unable to access the internet or remote resources. Which of the following needs to be configured? Option A, the IP address. Option B, the subnet mask. Option C, the gateway address. Option D, the DNS servers. The correct answer is option C. Which of the following protocols can be used to change device configuration via encrypted and authenticated session? Select 2. Option A, SNMPv3. Option B, SSH. Option C, Telnet. Option D, IPsec. Option E, ESP. And option F, syslog. Correct answer is option A and B. Which of the following wants to monitor and provide traffic segmentation across the network? The technician would like to assign each department specific identifier. Which of the following will the technician most likely use? Option A, flow control. Option B, traffic shaping. Option C, VLAN fagging. Option D, network performance baselines. The correct answer is option C. Which of the following is used to select an STP route? Option A, a bridge ID. Option B, a bridge protocol data unit. And option C, interface port priority. Option D, a switch routes port. The correct answer is option A. Which of the following documents would be used to define uptime commitments from a provider along with details on measurements and enforcement? Option A, NDA. Option B, SLA. Option C, MOU. Option D, AUP. Correct answer is option B. Which of the following would be increased by adding inscription to the data communication across the network? Option A, availability. Option B, integrity. Option C, accountability. Option D, confidentiality. Correct answer is option D. Which of the following uses the link stage routing algorithm and provides and operates within the single autonomous system? Option A, EIGRP. Option B, OSPF. Option C, RIP. Option D, BGP. The correct answer is option B. The large metropolitan city is looking to standardize the ability for police department's laptop to connect to the city government's VPN. The city would like the wireless solution that provides the largest coverage across the city with a minimal number of transmission towers. Latency and overall bandwidth need are not high priorities. Which of the following best meets the daily needs? Option A, 5G. Option B, LTE. Option C, Wi-Fi 4. Option D, Wi-Fi 5. Option E, Wi-Fi 6. The correct answer is option C. The customer wants to log in to a vendor server using a web browser on a laptop. Which of the following would require the least configuration to allow encrypted access to the server? Option A, secure socket layer. Option B, site to site VPN. Option C, remote desktop gateway. Option D, client to site VPN. Correct answer is option D. Which of the following would be most likely attack used by a bypass and access control vestibule? Option A, tailgating. Option B, phishing. Option C, evil twin. Option D, brute force. The correct answer is option A. The network administrator received a report stalling critical vulnerability was detected in an application that was exposed to the internet. Which of the following is the approximate next step? Option A, check the existence of the known exploit in order to access the risk. Option B, immediately shut down the vulnerable application server. Option C, install the network access control agent of the server. Option D, deploy a new server to host the application. Option A is correct. While walking from the parking to an access control door, an employee sees an authorized user open the door. When the employee notices that another person catches the door before it closes and goes inside, which of the following attacks is taking place? Option A, tailgating. Option D, piggybacking. Option C, shoulder surfing. Option D, phishing. Option A is correct. Which of the following moving architecture reduces network latency by enforcing limit to the number of switching devices on the frame path between any internal host? Option A, pine and leaf. Option B, software defined network. Option C, three tiered. Option D, collapsed cores. Option A is correct.